All right, folks, today I'm going to share a very powerful remedy for cough, sneezing, or congested. Couple of days have experienced this cough, sneezing, and congested. But this is what I did, and it helps me a lot. So I want to take this opportunity to also share with my viewers, in case you may also go into that situation. And I'll say this, I'm not expert, or I'm not in health department. So before you practice this video, consult your physician if you are allergic to any of these natural ingredients. And this video is about cough, as I said it earlier on, or common cold. And most of the times when you get common cold, you go through a lot. You can't breathe. You can't do anything. You can't taste food. When you taste food, it becomes something else. And I want to just take this opportunity to just, share with you, in case when you get a common cold, you know what to do. You need ginger. Okay, this is ginger. You need negro pepper. Okay, this is it, negro pepper. And it has a lot of benefit when it comes to cough, sneezing, congested, or common cold. This negro pepper is wonderful. And we may need alligator pepper. Okay, alligator pepper is also powerful when it comes to cleansing. Over here I have bitter kola, almighty bitter kola. As you can see, this is called bitter kola, and it also very powerful when it comes to health or congested, coughing, sneezing, and even asthma. Is very good for asthma. There is one herbs that even you can add to this bitter kola if you are asthmatic. It will help you a lot. So this is bitter kola. We have cloves. And these cloves, as when it comes to men, we need to pay attention to this. Cloves has so many significance or importance when it comes to health. Okay, what are we going to do with all these natural ingredients? We are going to pound them or grate any of them together to get the juice out of it. And that juice, that is what we are going to use when we got cold or cough, sneezing, any type of cough. This remedy is good. And last but not the least, we need honey, natural honey. Here is my honey. I'm not doing any advertisement for any company. I'm just using this as an example. And as we are progressing to the video, you need 2 bitter cola. 2 bitter cola. Whether you can blend it or grade it or whatever you think you can do to get the juice out of this. Okay? And I said you need 2 bitter cola. But I have already graded 2 bitter cola here. You see, this is the powder. Okay? This is the powder. This will help me to be able to pound it well, to be able to extract the juice from it. When it comes to the alligator pepper, but let me just say this, alligator pepper, you should, if you are going to use this for spiritual aspect, open it from your back. Open it from your back. This one, I open it from my back. That's why you can see it in this way. You take 7 from the seaport, okay? You take 7. You take 7 from the seaport. Okay. Let's see how. We already have 1 in there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I hope my viewers can see what I'm doing. And after that, the Negro pepper, we need 7. Okay, we need 7 Negro pepper. Then you add it. And the cloves, also we need 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we are going to pound everything to get it powder form. Okay, let's continue. You see, this is it. And you have to take all this chaff, take all this chaff from it. And if you can see, this is what we want. Okay, if you pound it, this is how it's going to look like. You get the powder of it. This is the powder. If you have a good mortar or a big mortar, you can also do likewise. Now, let's get our ginger ready. I'm going to grate the ginger. Here is the ginger. When you grate it, you get it in a smooth form. That will be added to the Negro pepper, the cloves, and the alligator pepper. Okay? And the alligator pepper and then the Negro pepper, I don't know how you call it in your language, So you can leave comment below wherever you are watching me from. Type the name of the alligator pepper in your own language, how you call it. Okay? And this is the bitter kola. I grate it, and if you want to make it smooth, you have to also pound it so that you can be able to extract the juice as faster as possible. Okay, I said the alligator pepper you need 2. The bitter kola you need 2. So I grate the 2, and here is it. Okay, when you pound it, it will make it to, you can able to extract the juice faster and easier. Okay, let's take it out. We are almost done. And this mixture is good for, we are going to mix with hot water. Okay, mix with hot water. Stir. For some minutes. When you stir, it makes you to be able to get the content or the juice as quickly as possible and the way you want it. You are going to use this as tea early morning from bed. You are going to drink this. You see this small cup or glass cup, you need something like this to be able to take the mixture. Okay, when you add the hot water, you can leave it for like 2 minutes. You can cover it to be like you are soaking it. But if you don't have time, continue stirring. Continue stirring for some time, and then you strain it. Okay, we are going to strain it. You can do this and preserve it. Each morning you take half glass or half disposable cup before your breakfast. Let's see how it goes. We are almost done. And if you are able to do this, when you get a cold or common cold, you see that you'll be free from that cold in a short possible time. So this is home remedy for coughing, any type of cough, sneezing, congestion. I did this and it really helped me. It helped me a lot. When you are congested, you can't sleep, you can't breathe, you can't do nothing, and more to the point, you become weak. Okay, here we are. Let's grab our honey. We need 2 or 3 teaspoonful of honey. It depends on your content. Okay, this one is a lot. If it is a lot, you need to also add maybe 4 teaspoonful of honey. But for me, I don't want it to be too sweet. So what I'll do is I'll add 2 spoonfuls to it. Then you stir. Okay? No cough, no congestion can withstand this mixture. Okay, another teaspoonful. Okay, and then I continue stirring. This is it, all set. Now let me say this, because most of us always get tired when we do a little work. When we get like a small exercise, we get tired so quick. If you are such person, please try this, especially the men who don't have stamina. Men who don't have stamina to perform their duties as husbands when they go to bed. Please practice this and you will never lose nothing. You come back to this particular video and leave your testimony. I bet you, and I know what I'm saying. I said, or I used to say, what you don't know is bigger than what you know. But through nature, we get to know more. So please, if you have not subscribed, consider to subscribe. When a video is uploaded, you'll be notified. Please share this video to your friends and leave comment below if necessary, and I'll get back to you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for sharing. See you in the next video.